Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use Paloma perfume car air fresheners. I will start by telling you a few impressive features that they have. First of all, if you see them in your local car spares or corner shop, you can test how they smell because of their unique design that allows you to do that just by pump pressing on them and placing them close to your nose. If you don't find them, you could propose to the shop manager to get in touch with us and we'll do our best to supply them. Now, before using it, please read the instructions precisely. You can find them on the back of the packaging. Step 1. Open the packaging. Take the air freshener out. On the top, in the back, you can see a plastic seal. You have to rip that off and remove it from the air freshener. Gently squeeze the liquid container, 1 or 2 drops, onto the cardboard felt. After doing that, you let it dry for 1 or 2 seconds, and that will last for around 2 or 3 days. Make sure there are no spillages and hang them somewhere where they won't get in touch with upholstery, plastics or any other surfaces, as it can cause serious damage. In case of spillage, wipe the area with a soapy cloth or a soapy sponge. Keep away from the reach of children or pets. This is the upgraded product from Paloma Perfume, which is the Duo. This has 2 different scents inside instead of 1, and you can choose from using only one side or both together for a perfect mix of perfume in your car or in your home or wherever you choose to place this air freshener. You open the packaging from the back . And then you have to rip the plastic seal on top of it. And now you have the choice to use only one side, either of one you choose. You can squeeze only one side, or you can choose to squeeze both at the same time and have a perfect mix.